Exercise number 2.5, question number 2. What is the question here? PQR is a triangle right angled at P. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. Right angle at P. And also right angle and M is a point on QR. M is a point on QR. M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. PM is perpendicular to QR. What we need to show? To prove. What we need to prove or to show? PM square is equal to QM into M. Look here. To prove thing is PM square is equal to QM into MR. PM square can be written as PM into PM is equal to QM into MR. Okay. This PM it will become division. This MR will become division. Yes or no? PM divided by MR is equal to QM divided by PM. QM divided by PM. Look here. PM by MR. Which triangle? There are two triangles. PM and MR. PM is in triangle small. What is PMQ? Correct? Or PMQ or PMR? Then PM divided by MR. Where is MR? That means in triangle PMR. Okay, in triangle PMR, PM divided by MR is equal to QM. Where is QM? Okay, QM is here. In triangle PMQ, QM divided by MP or PM. QM divided by PM. That means we need to consider two triangles. What are the triangles here? Triangle PMR and triangle PMQ. You have to triangle similar to the one first. Proof in triangle what? From triangle or in triangle PQR and triangle what? PMR. Here triangle number one triangle is PQR, bigger triangle. Second triangle is PMR. We need to consider triangle PMR and triangle QMR. These two triangles must be similar. Directly we can't prove that. We have to take bigger triangle and smaller triangle. Bigger triangle and smaller triangle similar. Then bigger triangle, the other smaller triangle similar. Therefore, triangle PMR must be similar to triangle PMQ. Big triangle, small triangle. Big triangle, small triangle. Similar. Okay. The triangles which are similar to the same triangle, then the both the triangles are similar to each other. Dodda triangle ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಣ್ಣ triangle similar ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ triangle ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಣ್ಣ triangle ತಗೊಂಡು similar ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು similar ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Corresponding sides are in equal ratio. ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, क्या लेंगे first? In triangle PQR and triangle PMR. PQR. Angle R is equal to angle R. Yes or no? Angle R is equal to angle R. Angle R is equal to angle because common angle. Number one. Next, angle RPQ. Angle RPQ is equal to angle PMR. Angle PMR is equal to 90 degree. Correct? Given thing. What is this? Given thing. By AA similarity criterion. Triangle PQR similar to triangle PMR. PQR similar to PMR. बड़ा triangle, small triangle similar होते हैं. Equation number 1. let us consider the two triangles. One is bigger triangle. What is the bigger triangle? In triangle PQR and triangle PMQ, angle Q is equal to angle Q. Correct? Look here. PQR, PMQ, angle Q is equal to angle Q. That is common angle. Angle Q is equal to angle Q, common angle. Next, consider angle RPQ is equal to, look here, angle RPQ 90 degree. RPQ is equal to angle PMQ 90 degree. Correct? Angle RPQ is equal to angle PMQ is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. This is what? This is the given by A similarity criterion. By A similarity criterion, triangle PQR similar to triangle PMQ. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2, triangle PMR is similar to triangle PMQ. Triangle PMR is similar to triangle PMQ. By CPST. By CPST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding parts of similar triangle. Okay, corresponding parts ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ? From triangle what? PMR. PMR ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ? PM ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೆ. PM divided by MR is equal to QM divided by PM. Okay, QM divided by PM. Okay, ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. PM divided by MR. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. MR divided by MQ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. QM. 1 second. MR divided by QM is equal to PM divided by ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? PM divided by MR. PM is in triangle PMR. PM divided by MR. ಇಲ್ಲಂತಂದ್ರೆ PM ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್? ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು PM divided by MR is equal to ಅಂತ ತೋತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು QM divided by PM. QM divided by PM. PM divided by MR is equal to QM divided by PM divided by MR is equal to QM divided by PM. Cross multiply. PM into PM square is equal to QM into MR, QM into MR. Hence, correct? ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2.6 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2.6 ಅದ. ಯಾವುದದು? 2.6 2.7 2.7 ಯಾವ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅದು? ಅದೈತಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2.7 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೋದು. ಯಾವ ತರ स्टेटमेंट लिखो डायरेक्ट हम ये लिख सकते हैं. ಇದೇನು ಬರೀ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಜಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ. ಆ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2.7 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2.7 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, then no need to prove all these things up to from equation number 1 and 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. You have to write just from theorem number 2.7 statement you have to write. After the statement you have to write directly triangle PMR similar to triangle PMQ directly like this. Simple. 2 marks. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಬರಿತೀಯ ಬರಿತಿಲ್ಲ
ನಾಯಕ ఇంకా
Question number 3. In the given question, they have given one triangle A, B, D, where angle A is equal to 90 degree. Then we need to draw a perpendicular AC to the side BD. Then we will be getting what? Two triangles. One triangle is ACD, ACB. Another triangle is ACD. What we need to prove? We need to prove number 1 AB square is equal to BC into BD. Number 2 AC square is equal to BC into DC. Number 3 AD square is equal to BD into CD. Correct? Look here, from theorem number 2.7. What is the statement of theorem number 2.7? Okay, if a perpendicular is drawn, you have to write everything, the complete statement. Correct? Complete statement. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle of a right angle triangle to the hypotenuse okay, these two triangles are similar to the whole bigger triangle, and also these two triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, what can we write? Triangle ABD similar. Triangle ABC similar. Triangle ABC. Correct? Therefore, we can write triangle ABD similar, triangle ADC similar, triangle ABC. Correct? All the triangles are similar to each other. By CPCT, we can write the corresponding sides are in equal ratio. First of all, what we need to consider? The bigger triangle, what? ABD, and the smaller triangle ABC. Number one, in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. AB divided by what? BD is equal to BC divided by AB, because by CP CT ST CP ST. Okay, cross multiply AB into AB, AB square is equal to BD into BC, BC into BD. Okay, hence proved. One end. Number 1 proved. Number 2, what we need to consider? Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ. Number 2 ಏನೈತಿ? AC divided by BC is equal to BC divided by AC. Cross multiplying, AC square is equal to BC into DC. Hence 2 by CPST. Okay, for the third one, what we need to consider? The bigger triangle and the smaller upper side triangle. That means in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle ADC, ABD ADC, in triangle ADC. Again prove ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು AD square is equal to BD into BD. ADC. AD square is nothing but what? AD is equal to BD divided by AD. Here CD है ना? CD है ना? Okay. Next cross multiplying, AD into AD, AD square is equal to BD into CD. Hence by CP. Fourth question, they have given that there is a triangle ABC which is right angled at C and also it is an isosceles triangle. The meaning of isosceles triangle is two sides are equal. That means AC is equal to BC. This is the given thing. AC is equal to BC. Equation number 1. And they have given that angle C is equal to 90 degree. Correct? We need to consider one triangle ABC where C is equal to 90 degree. C is equal to 90 degree. Understood? What we need to prove? We need to prove AB square is equal to 2AC square. What is AB? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is nothing but what? Theorem number 2.7 or 2.8? 2.8. What is theorem number 2.8? In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Applying Pythagoras theorem to the triangle ABC. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Apply. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to AB square. What is BC? What is the meaning of BC? BC is nothing but what? AC. BC square is AC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square 2AC square. Hence, fifth question. In the question, they have given isosceles triangle ABC. Isosceles means two sides are equal. They have also given two sides which are equal. What are the sides? AC equal to BC. They have also given that AB square is equal to 2AC square. What is the meaning of AB square? Hypotenuse square. Whenever hypotenuse square comes, there must be Pythagoras theorem. Correct? What we need to prove here? This triangle must be right angle triangle. Understood? What we need to prove? Yen prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? This triangle must be right angle triangle. If it is right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That means indirectly or directly we can prove or we must prove that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. ये हम prove करना चाहिए. इसको लेको आना पड़ेगा. हैंग नोट. Proof. हाँ. Proof. In what is the given thing? What is the given thing? AB square is equal to 2AC square. Look here, don't write. AB square is equal to 2AC square can be written as AC square plus AC square. Correct? AC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus what is the meaning of AC? AC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABC is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Hence, next question, very important question. The question is, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Understood? And each side equal to 2A. What we need to find out? The altitude of the triangle. Correct? Let us consider the triangle ABC. Altitude must be perpendicular to the base and it must be from opposite angle of the base. Correct? Here AD is the perpendicular height, that is altitude. That means angle D is equal to 90 degree. What we need to find out? AD. What we need to find out? AD, perpendicular height. Okay, look here. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Let us consider two triangles. What are the triangles? In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Which are angles equal? Angle B is equal to angle B. Side AB is equal to side AC. Then AD is equal to AD. Correct? Yes or no? AD is equal to AD because what? Common side. Number one. Number two, side AB is equal to side AC. AB is equal to AC. From equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Next, angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C because it is equilateral triangle. Since it is equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle by RHS congruency rule. These two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. Look here. Side AB is equal to side AC. This is the hypotenuse of triangle ADB. Correct? In triangle ABD, this is what? 90 degree. Opposite side is hypotenuse. Correct? Right angle hypotenuse one side. Which side? AD. AD is the side, AB is the hypotenuse, and angle D is right angle. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. Congruency rule. These two triangles are not similar. They are congruent. They are congruent. That means corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, BD is equal to BD is equal to DC. Correct? BD is equal to DC. Then what is BD? What is BD plus DC? BC. Correct? Look here. BD is equal to DC. Therefore, BD plus DC is equal to BC. Yes or no? BD equal to DC. BD plus DC is equal to BC. Correct? Then what is BC value? What is BC value? BC value 2A. BD plus what is DC? What is DC? BD plus BD is equal to 2A. 2BD is equal to 2A. 2 to cancel. BD is equal to BD is equal to A. BD is equal to A. AB is equal to 2A. Yes or no? What is AB value? What is AB value? 2A. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem to the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. BD square plus AD square. What is AB value? 2A square is equal to, what is BD value? A square plus AD square. 2 square is 4A square is equal to A square plus AD square. Plus A square, it will become what? Minus A square. That means 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. Therefore, AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square, 3A square. Then square will be removed and root will be added to the right hand side. AD is equal to root 3. Don't have any value. That means root 3 as it is. A square root cancel A. This root will be applicable to both the things. Root 3 A square is nothing but what? Root 3 into root A square andanga. Correct? This root applicable to both the things. Then this square and this root cancel. What is the answer? Root 3A. Therefore, what is the altitude? Root 3A. Check it out. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of squares of its diagonals. Correct? What we need to prove? We need to prove that the sum of squares of a rhombus, sides of a rhombus. What are the sides of a rhombus? AB, BC, CD, DA. The sum of squares of sides of a diagonal equal to sum of squares of its diagonals. Understood? Let us consider what is the given thing here. ABCD is a rhombus where AC and BD are diagonals which bisect each other at point O. Correct? They bisect each other at point O. That means they create an angle 90 degree. They are perpendicular to each other. They will create an angle of 90 degree. Yes or no? They create an angle of 90 degree in the middle. To prove AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Proof. Let us consider sides of rhombus, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to A. ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? A. This is also A. Consider all sides are equal. Yes or no? All sides of a rhombus equal. Next, look here. Diagonal bisect each other. That means what? OA is equal to half of AC. Correct? OA is half of AC. OB is half of BD. Diagonals here. Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, OA is equal to what? Half of AC. Equation number 1. OA is equal to half of AC. OB is equal to half of OB is equal to half of BD. Equation number. Correct? Yes or no? Since triangle OAB is nothing but what? It is a right angle triangle. Yes or no? Since OAB is a right angle triangle, applying Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem to the triangle OAB. This is 90 degree. Opposite is hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AB. AB square is equal to okay. In triangle OAB, AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square, or OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square. Look here. AB square is equal to, what is OA? Half of AC the whole square. Plus what is OB? Half of BD the whole square. Okay. AB square is equal to half. Square is 1 by 4. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. AC square is plus 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. BD square is BD square. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 common. Howdilri? 1 by 4 common. AB square is equal to 1 by 4 bracket AC square plus BD square. Division for it will become 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Correct? 4AB square can be written as AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Next, what is AB is equal to? What is AB equal to? What is AB is equal to? Okay. Let us consider or let us write AB square plus what is AB equal to? BC square. What is AB equal to? CD square plus what is AB is equal to? DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Hence, 2 root.